Welcome to Keyword Rockstar. My name's John, and I'm going to show you the new features in the release 1.046 that we just released. There's some great features in there that I think you're going to be excited about. And anyway, I won't belabor the point. Let's get right to it. If you happen to watch the VIP training videos where I show you how I took a CPA offer and went from the CPA offer to a completed Google Content Network campaign in under half an hour, you'll remember that these were the two projects that I had. So that's what these are. But let's flip over to one that I've got loaded here. First thing that you're going to notice, one of the new features is now you can get a new SEO stat called all in title, and this is a great measure of competition, from the SEO side especially. What that is, let me show you real quick. Basically, it's the same thing as if you put in the phrase all in title, colon, and then quotes and an actual keyword. So notice right now that prior to doing this search, just the term acai berry or acai berry has over 6 million competing pages. Now if we look at just the all in title, that number gets significantly reduced to 323,000. Alright, now that's what this stat does. It actually retrieves this figure right here from all in title, colon, and then the keyword. So you can retrieve it here just by checking it and then starting the project, or same thing you can do here. Retrieve additional stats. You can do the all in title there. Now, one thing I want you to make sure that you're aware of, Keyword Rockstar actually tracks the different match types. So there's broad, exact, and phrase. And based on this match type, it will affect how the all in title is retrieved. So in order to replicate the quotes around the keyword, that is an exact match. Okay, so all in title and then quotes, the keyword, that's an exact match. So if you're interested in knowing the all in title with the quotes around a keyword, you need to just find the stats for all the ones in the exact match type. So you don't have to do the broad or the phrase. You just basically select what you want here, and then right click, retrieve additional stats, and then you can get the all in title count. Now if you get it from the start, then that's fine. You're going to get broad, exact, and phrase, meaning if you select it on this project, you're actually going to get it for each one of those match types. Okay, so just know that the exact match is the same thing as putting quotes around the keyword. Alright, the other two do not put quotes around it. Okay, so that's the first of the features. Now real quick, one of the features that we've got in here now is the ability to show and hide any of these columns that you see. Okay, and you simply just unselect these checkboxes, and notice I've got the SEO Rockstar rankings showing now. I've unchecked them, I hit OK, and now they're gone. Okay, so I wouldn't see them. You can do that for any of these columns. So any of the ones that you don't have data for, you can now get rid of them, and it's not a problem anymore. So that should help you maximize your real estate in case you're not interested in some of these data. You can simply hide the columns. Another tool or another feature that we've added, so that you can, when you're in your grid, or you can do it in your project settings as well, but now this status bar down here is collapsible, and it starts out, it's basically fully expanded. You'll see the little thumbtack over here, vertical. If you want it to collapse, you simply click on the thumbtack, alright, and then move your mouse over it. Okay, and it's gone. So now I've got my full screen, and I don't have any part of it really except for the very bottom with the status bar. And of course, if you're running a project, everything's still working. It's just that it's not taking up any of your real estate screen. if you want to see it again, you simply come down over here where it says status, hover over that, and it will bring it back up. Okay, and then when you move off of it, it goes back away. If you want to permanently see it, you simply come back over here and press the thumbtack, and it will pin it in place. So that's it. That should help a lot of you that there's no need to see it on here if you're already done with your project, and there's no updates, so just get rid of it by clicking that and getting off of it. Okay, now the other and the last and the exciting feature, probably for a lot of you, is we have included the ability to auto-generate a AdWords Content Network campaign for you. Okay, and let me just show you how this works. Basically, you just select as many keywords as you want. I'm just going to select a few just to kind of give you an idea. If you watched the other video where I took the CPA offer from start to finish, you've already seen a little bit of this anyway in action. But if you haven't, what you do is select all the keywords you're interested in, right click, and the second option here says Generate AdWords Content Network PPC Campaign. Simply click that. Alright, and it will go ahead and load all the keywords for you in alphabetical order, and it also removes any duplicates, so you don't have to worry about any kind of duplicates showing up. Alright, simply give it your campaign a root name. Okay, give it a price, and we'll just say 30 cents, and then add several text ads, at least one, but you can add as many as you want. So we'll just say, for now, I'm just going to say title, description 1, description 2, display, and destination, just so you can kind of see what needs to go in there. Alright, once you've got your ads filled out, simply click Save Ad, and you'll see it pop up over here. And then you can let's just say title 2, save ad, title 3, save ad, title 4, save ad. So you can do as many as you want. And of course, you probably don't want to do more than 2 or 3 if you're split testing. And if you make a mistake or you don't like how something is, you simply click in this whatever line you want, and you can edit that. So I could say, okay, this really I want it to say description 2-2. Okay, so you can edit these once you have them over here, and you can also delete them by right clicking and just say delete ad. Alright, notice it says title 2, so I've got title, title 2, title 3, title 4. When I say delete ad, you'll notice I've got title, title 3, and title 4 because I deleted the title 2. Even though this says ad number 2, this is just a running count. The actual ad that I selected was the one that I deleted. Okay, once you have everything filled out over here, you have your ads, simply click Generate Campaign, and there you go. You copy your ad groups, copy your keywords, and copy your ads. And what you do with this is you simply use AdWords Editor and plug all these values into the various features in AdWords Editor. You need to watch the other video, and I kind of walk you through that. I'm not going to take the time. I just want to show you all the new features. Alright, I will keep you guys posted. I hope you have a great day. Take care.